Hey YouTube, I'm back with another video. Today we're making two different slimes. Okay, so this is the slime that I made first, and this is going to be in my giveaway. No giveaway. Oh my god, I made present. This is going to be my sister's, but I will be putting this one in a lot of my videos because this is my first one I made out of these, out of this full size that I have. So yeah. So I have this. Hold on, one second. Pick it up on my lap. I can't pick it up. This box full of slime stuff. I have like glitters. I have containers. I have some paints. More paint. I got clear glue. I got a gallon of glue. I got some of this stuff. Got little sequences. I got beads. Got these googly eyes. So I'm going to be using this for the video. We are going to be using this for this video also. We're also going to be using this peach color. And the sequences. We're going to need these containers. We're going to need these popsicle sticks. This Tide. This glue. And that's and this clear glue. We're going to be making 3 slimes. So yeah. That's what we need. We're not making fluffy slime. We're not making that today. And we're only going to be using the color today because that's the only color I want to use. Let's go. So I'm going to move out stuff over here. So the first thing we want to do is open this and take this cloth out. So I can take off. I'm going to keep it. It's a giant cloth. Oh my god, it's so big. I'm just going to fold it in half. So it's not. Okay, I'll be back when I do it. I changed my mind, we're not going to do it. So, first we're going to start off by making a clear googly eye slime. So, and I think we're probably going to use this paint. So, let me get the container out. Let me get a container out. Actually, I'm probably just going to keep it blue. Just the Tide blue, so I'm going to just keep it blue. So, I have my paint, so I'll probably get hot poppers. I'm going to get my Tide, some of this Tide. Open this one and put some in here. Okay. So we're not going to be using the cloth today. So this is. Okay, and I just touched. I put on a shirt that I really don't care about. So and some parts I really don't care if I get dirty or not. Even though I love these shorts, these black shorts, I love them. But, yeah. So let's start by pouring in the glue. Right. So I don't know how much to do it. That's how much I'm going to put. Soon. Okay, so now I'm just going to mix it. Actually, I did change my mind. I am going to add this color, so I'll be back when I open it. So I got the paint. I'm just gonna pour a drop of that in there and mix it. And I use a 50-cent apple barrel. Now I'm going to activate it. I'm not going to activate it too much because I want to be able to have it still sticky so I can add the beads to it. So I'll be back when I'm done activating this one. Guys, I'm almost done. I just have to get this off my hand, so I'll be back in a second. So as I open them, the eyes down, and this one's really sticky, so it will stick to them. So I'm just going to put them in. And yeah. I'm gonna add a little bit more tie to it. And once I'm done doing this, I'll be back and yeah, I'll be on to the next one. Actually, guys, this is gonna be my last slime, so yeah. So now I'm just mixing. I already have the glue in here. It's color glue. I'm gonna add a different color actually. I'm gonna do this color. So I'll be back when I put it in. So I got it. I'm about to put it in. I'm putting in like a lot because we also put it in blue. And blue like a really dark color for this. So, yeah. So I'll be back when I activate that. Okay, I'm back now. I'm gonna add these sequences. So I believe this is gonna be my last one or not. I don't know. It just depends on something, but I'm not gonna tell you what it depends on right now because maybe I'll tell you guys at the end of the video because yeah. My phone's being stupid. Oh no, it takes forever to get this. And see, they all fell down. I don't know, they all fell down. They like came out, so not all of them. So let me try to get them back. So I got 2 back so far. I'll be back when I get them on. Yeah. So I finished it. It has the sequences in it. I want to see how clear it is. It's probably not that clear since I have a lot of, yeah, barely clear. Next time, I think, I can do another one. Next time is going to be a glitter slime. So let's get into the glitter slime. Peace. See you guys later when I get to the glitter. So I already added my glue. I'm using white glue. Now I'm going to use green paint and some green glitter. What colors I'm going to use it. So let's add the glitter to it. Let's add the paint to it. Okay. I'll be right back when I add it. I decided that I'm going to add a little bit of shaving cream, not more than I have. So I'm just going to add a little bit, like that much, because to be a fluffy slime, I'm not too fluffy. So let me just add a little bit more green, because once you add that, it's going to change your color. So let me get another popsicle stick. And I use popsicle sticks to this slime, or I use these cheap Wendy spoons that I stole from Wendy's. But pretty much actually you only use these, so I'm gonna mix it up. It also smells like shaving cream, which is really good. But it's so watery, so let me just add a little bit more shaving cream. Not too much, but just a little bit. Like that much. Oh, you want to see the scent of the flavor? The scent is raspberry. So I'll be done when I mix what I'm done. I'm adding and activating it. I'll be back. I got it back and it's looks like this. So now I'm just adding glitter to it. Glitter. I can put this. No! Okay. So I can't open it.
I'll be back.
I'll just do this.
I'll be back.
This is not going to be enough glitter. You know how I know? Because this is white glue. And you can't really see anything with white glue. Except for like sequences and stuff. So now I'm not going to use the rest of my clear glue until I decide if I want to. But yeah. Oh, you guys, and I also got some beads that I will be making beads slime, which I'm so excited because I have these colorful beads and I don't have any other stuff in them. So yeah. Yes, I'll be back once I'm done doing this. So I got to the point where I like it, and this is what it turned out to be. It's glitter mint, like a minty slime. So green is not really green, it's a minty color. So yeah, thanks for watching the video. Make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment down below. And yeah, and you guys can get a shout out if you guys comment down below in this video. In my next video, give you a shout out. So peace, make sure you guys subscribe, like, and comment.